Hey students, it's Mr. Fleece here, and today I'm going to show you how to create your fall leaves art project for painting. Let's get in it. For our fall leaves color study project, if you're a virtual learner, your sheet's going to look like this. In your art kit, it's actually going to be labeled fall leaves color study. We're going to lay out our paper here, and the very first step, we're going to start with pencil, of course, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a giant tree right down the center of our page. So we're going to start by drawing the trunk, which we start at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to sketch from top to bottom, and as I work my way from the bottom to the top, my trunk's going to get a little thinner, just like so. A little wider at the bottom, a little bit more narrow at the top. Then I'm going to draw a handful of branches, 3 to 5 branches coming off my tree up here towards the top where the bulk of our leaves are going to be. So I'm going to start right here and kind of branch off and just kind of add a twig, just like so, and then I can erase out that centerpiece. Got a lovely little branch. That's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Then I'm going to come up here, add maybe another one, and maybe this one goes off the page. It's all right to let your branches go off the page. And you can do different sizes. If you want bigger ones, you can have bigger ones. Then on at least one of your branches, I want you to have a couple of branches coming off of that branch. And I'll show you what I mean, page. And then here, I'm gonna have it split into a little twig. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And maybe right here I'll have them branch off. Ooh, that's nice. And then if you want to go, be a little extra about it, and you know how I love being extra in art, man, you could even have a branch off a branch, trees, man. I mean, what's a twig life? It's hard to say. Now that I have my branches sketched kind of the top portion, I'm gonna take my leaf stencil, and I'm using a maple leaf. You can see the little maple leaf stencil right there. Ooh, he's just so nice. I'm gonna use the little maple leaf stencil to stencil in my tree. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna lay my leaf up here anywhere, and I'm gonna start sketching in my leaf in the top half of my tree. Whoa, things are getting out of hand. Just like that. I'm gonna repeat my process all over the top. And students, what I like to do is pick some areas where my branches don't interfere to trace a few entire leaves, because we're gonna get to a point here when we start overlapping our stencils. Oh, that's nice. And now I'm gonna start overlapping, so I'm just gonna start throwing leaves in. And when I'm overlapping my leaves, it's important to not stencil over the tops of branches and leaves that are already there, just like that. See how that's behind there? It creates a leaf. And I'm gonna keep doing this until I fill in the whole top half of my tree. It's all right to let them go off the page. In fact, I encourage you to have your stencils go off the page in places. So students, that's how you sketch and draw your tree.